Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the bunny hop emote in It. So in this latest update, It has a new event for the Easter event, and at this event you can get the free-to-play emote that you can buy it using your Easter coins. And if you don't know how to get the Easter coins, just fishing around this Easter island until you can collect more Easter coins. And after that, just go to this area near the mosaic door, like this mosaic doors area, and then just go to this point to buy the bunny hop emote, and it costs to 10,000 Easter coins. So just keep fishing at this island until you can collect 10,000 Easter coins, and after that you can just buy this emotes. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.